It is a great satisfaction to greet you on this day. I always wish you peace and prosperity. In today's video we will discuss the following. External parasites in dogs, eliminate and prevent them. It is very important to know the external parasites that can affect your dog in order to quickly detect their appearance. Milder cases can involve discomfort and itching, but if the situation worsens, your best friend's life and health can be seriously affected. Do not forget that if the infected dog is a puppy, you should go to the vet immediately. In this video we will talk about external parasites of dogs, small guests that live on the body surface, feeding directly on your pet. External parasites on a dog can include fleas, ticks, mites, and other insects whose life cycle takes place on the dog's body. Types of external parasites in dogs. We call external parasites those that live outside the body of dogs, either on the skin or attached to the hair. They are usually small arthropod animals. Among them, the main types of external parasites in dogs are 1. Fleas. Fleas are small, dark brown parasites that live on the coats of dogs and other animals. They are so small and fast that it is difficult to detect them, but it is easy to detect their droppings. They grow in hot and humid climates, so depending on the climate in your area, they can constitute a seasonal or permanent problem. Fleas suck the dog's blood and in doing so can infect the dog with infectious diseases. Also, dogs that have a massive flea infestation can end up developing anemia. Dogs can also be allergic to flea saliva, causing them to scratch excessively and injure themselves. Although it is not very common for fleas to transmit contagious diseases to dogs, this can be the case with tapeworms, heartworms, and even bubonic plague. 2. Ticks. Ticks are large, easy-to-see parasites. They can be felt relatively easily when petting the dog and are really dangerous. When fully developed, ticks burrow into the skin of dogs and other mammals, suck their blood before reproducing, and infect them with very serious diseases. Ticks can cause anemia when the dog is heavily infested and can even produce paralyzing shock. If you notice that your dog has ticks, you should never try to remove them. Instead, you should use specific material that you can find in pet stores to eliminate them or go immediately to the vet. 3. Scabies mites. Sarcoptic mange mites are microscopic parasites that settle on the dog's skin. As the name suggests, they cause scabies. These parasites can be transmitted to other animals, including humans. These mites cause skin irritation, hair loss, and scabs. If the disease is not treated, it can cause other organic disorders and the dog can die. Localized demodectic mange is the mild type that usually goes away on its own. Its symptoms include localized hair loss, flaking, and dark spots. But generalized demodectic mange is a serious disease that can kill a dog. It initially presents with localized hair loss, but collateral complications develop over time. The most common complication is bacterial skin infection or pyoderma, which includes itching, swollen glands, discharge, and a bad odor. 4. Ear mites. Ear mites are similar to sarcoptic mange mites, but they are slightly larger in size. They are transmitted by direct contact between the dog and other infected animals, or by coming into contact with surfaces where these parasites are found. These mites settle in the ear canal and adjacent areas, causing the dog annoying irritation and itchiness. The dog scratches constantly to alleviate his discomfort and can sometimes be quite violent. The dog may frequently rub his head against walls and other rough surfaces, and may even injure himself by scratching himself too much. A common symptom of ear mites in dogs is when they constantly shake their heads. 5. Treatment of external parasites in dogs. Like any medical treatment for dogs, treatment for external parasites should be done or at least recommended by a veterinarian. Although there are over-the-counter antiparasitic drugs, it is recommended that the veterinarian decide on the treatment. Do not forget the importance of preventing the appearance of all these problems by using antiparasitic pipettes or collars. Other good ways to prevent it are to bathe your dog and clean his ears regularly. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below right now and start your journey to having an amazing, obedient, highly intelligent dog today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.